Hey guys, I'm Amanda from Sell Spend Travel. This is Brad. Hold on, I gotta get it to turn around. Hi Brad.
Hi.
That's my husband, also known as the Honey Bunny. If you're ever here, Honey Bunny or HB, that's who that is. We are back today to do another bulk unboxing for you. This is home goods with bath and bedding. Total cost of the box was $67.98. I believe this had 16 items in it. I didn't put a total item count. Either way, per item, it should be about $4.86. So it's uninspected returns, which means it is what it is. So you kind of take a gamble with uninspected returns boxes. Sometimes you get stuff and everything's in near new or new condition, and other times you get it and you just wonder why they even bothered. So it's always a gamble, but it's always fun to open them up and see what you get. So we're going to get right into it here. And we have been reselling since 2018. We started off with a pallet, and we started because we wanted to have extra money to travel with. And it was just a way to help supplement the cost of that. And we liked it so much that we kept going. And officially, as of January 1st, 2020, I left my full-time job to become a full-time reseller. So that was a fun experience, especially during COVID, to try to learn how to source in different ways where and just take more chances on different items and see what you could find. So bath and bedding stuff are items that we're pretty familiar with. A majority of the things that we've sold in the past have been home furnishings, curtains, bedding, shower curtains, things of that nature. We also do clothing, pretty much anything that you can do as long as it's not unsafe or immoral. We'll sell it. So that's kind of where we're at there. I'll make sure to link our store page for eBay and our Poshmark closet too in the description of this video, so that if you want to check out what we have, you're welcome to go check it out. So we'll get right into it here. Just to come right out of the gate, this is a set of Troll string lights. The box appears to be opened. It's got a Try-Me. Oh, the Try-Me, they light up. Can you see that? So they do actually light up, but I'll probably still take them out of the box and make sure that they work properly and everything works properly before I list them. So there's that. That's our dog Luda.
His name's Luda because he's my dog.
He's my dog. He's his dog. He's my dog too. So this is a Boots and Barkley medium dog harness. And this has definitely been opened there. But it doesn't appear to have been used. It just looks like it's a little twisted up. So I'll just have to play with it there a little bit. But we've sold these before, and usually fairly quickly on eBay. They're lightweight, so they'll usually ship first class. So it's just an easy flip.
Okay, babe, I want to pause it right there.
Sure.
All right, unboxing take 2.
Sorry, we had to see what Ludo was barking at. It's about 11 o'clock at night here for us. So if the dog starts barking, you just kind of have to go at least peek out the window, right? So, all right, so we'll get right back at it. So this is a hammer and axe light up word clock. So of course we'll take this out of the box, make sure it works. I think the retail on this was like 30 bucks. So, 20 bucks maybe if we're lucky. Some of these things too, I'll put on the local Facebook marketplace, just because it's an easier flip there. You don't have to worry about the shipping. You don't have to worry about a lot of the extra fees, things of that nature. So this might be one of those items. We will see. All right, this is an Eclipse Duo Tech curtain panel draft stopper with total blackout. So this has obviously been opened. You can see the packaging is taped back on there. So I'll just take the tape off, make sure there's no damage to the curtain, list it like it is, new open box, and just, explain that it's out of the packaging. All right, and this is obviously something that was left from Christmas. It's just a throw blanket. It still appears to be, it's still connected with the little plastic things there. So it was just a shelf pull from Christmas. So this will just get listed like it is. Then there's 3 of these heart pillows. And they're nice and soft and furry on the front, and just a solid kind of velvety feeling back there. That's just a little string. I can clip that off. But it's got, this is one of those tags that's got the barcode right directly on the tag. So it doesn't actually have a hang tag on it, just this. So these will just get listed like they are. However, this one has spots on it. Can you see the spots?
Ooh, that's
Yeah,
not cool.
so it almost looks, I almost thought it was mold when I first looked in the box, but it's not mold, I don't think. I don't know what it is. But this will probably either just get thrown in the donation box, or if I can wash it and this comes out, then I might just give it to my niece or something like that. And then here's another one. And this one appears to be okay. I don't see any spots on that one. So the good part about that is that if I do end up listing the two that are in okay shape online, it's just one listing with a quantity of 2. So I just have to list it one time, which is always nice. All right, and then this is a cheese board with slicer, and it is broken. So
How is it broken? I can't see.
I'm trying to get it up to show you. Yeah. So the little, see the wire right here would normally be connected, and that's what would actually slice your cheese, and it is broken. So, but it looks like this just comes out. So if nothing else, it looks like you could just have a little cheese board. So this would probably be something, because otherwise it appears to be in brand new condition. So this would be something that I would just list on the yard sale page, maybe with some other kitchen-y type gadgets, and just list it all together in a lot. Or I'll put it in a yard sale when we actually finally have one again, or it'll just go in the donation box. Because when we first started, I wanted to keep everything and make everything stretch and get every dollar out of every item. And now I just want it gone. So I just try to figure out the best place to put it. So then next we have 2 of these little baskets. These are really cute. These are Threshold, and they're just little baskets. The sides are kind of soft but stitched together. They're in brand new condition. They don't have any damage or anything to them. So these would be something I'd probably list these 2 together. These would probably be easier to list on Poshmark, just because the flat rate shipping on Poshmark versus eBay, they won't sell for a huge amount of money together, but the shipping would be make it not worth it. Or they would go locally on Facebook. Then next we have a Room Essentials double wall stainless steel vacuum water bottle, just green. Doesn't appear to be used or anything. It doesn't have any dents or anything like that in it either that I see. Usually when you get water bottles, they end up having dents in them, or like the corner will be flattened out. They'll just not be in resellable shape. So at least this one is in good enough shape. I've actually got a couple of left from previous boxes, previous lots that we've gotten, and I'll probably lot this together with those and just sell them all on the marketplace, on Facebook Marketplace, for just a lot for a certain cost. And then, so this is a linen blend set of sheets, Threshold King Linen Blend Sheet Set, and this is called Bell Pink. So it doesn't have the packaging on the outside, but, or the labeling, I should say, not the packaging. But they appear to be still factory folded. So, but I probably will still just pull these out and just check them to make sure that there's no spots. Oh, actually right there. You see? There's a mark right there.
Yep.
Can you see it?
Yep.
So it almost looks like a pen, like ink. So these might end up being something too that I have to list on the yard sale page. And if I do that, I'll just list it and show a picture of that mark there and just say, look, they appear to be in brand new condition, but they've got this damage right here on it that may or may not wash out. And I found that people, as long as you're straight with them and you tell them, hey, it's got this on here, this is what it looks like, I think it'll wash out. I'm selling it for this really awesome price anyway. There's usually not a lot of issue, especially with sheet sets, bedding. anything like that that's generally more expensive at the store, if they can get it from us or another Facebook Marketplace seller for, you know, $20 or $30 where it would normally cost them $70 or $80 in the store, then it's worth it for them, even if it's got a little flaw. So there's something to think about. And then last but not least, a box of tall kitchen trash bags. We'll just keep these. We always can use trash bags. And they've obviously been opened too, so who knows if any bags were taken out. So they'll just go in our cabinet and we'll use these ourselves. So, and that's it. That's everything in the box. I don't know that we'll make any money on this box, honestly. We might make our money back. I'm not super impressed with it, but it's uninspected returns and it's liquidation. So it's just one of the gambles that you take with it. I did download the manifest. This box did come from the BULQ website and not from eBay. So I just downloaded the manifest and I put what I thought the comp prices would be for it, assuming everything was in resellable condition. And my hope was that we could about double our money. I think based on actually seeing it, I think I'm just going to shoot for making our money back plus $20 or $30 and take it as a lesson learned. So we'll just go with that. But that is the gamble that you take, especially with the cheaper boxes. I found that sometimes you can get them and you just get so lucky and you get so many awesome, wonderful items. And then sometimes you get it and you go, why did I buy this? And that's kind of where I'm at on this. But it's okay, because one way or another, everything will find a new home. We'll keep it ourselves and use it, whatever we need to do. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see more videos like it. We also hope to eventually have up some travel videos where we're able to travel, and hopefully some slot spinning, because we like to go to the casino, and that's a yes. So anyway, we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching.